Hello and welcome back to Fact Frontier. Today, we're addressing a question that's been on the minds of many in the tech industry. Will ChatGPT replace programmers? As a programmer myself, I've added ChatGPT to my toolset and have had the opportunity to push its capabilities to the limit. Like with every new tool, it impressed me initially. However, it soon became clear that it's not going to be the shiny new thing that replaces everything else. Let's take an example. I was working on a bug where a certain value in our software wasn't correct. I copied the entire class and told ChatGPT where exactly the problem happened, but it couldn't understand it. Why? Because the entities involved were defined in a different package, linked to certain DTOs, and went through many processes, schedulers, methods, and so on. Before we continue, if you're finding this video insightful, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to Fact Frontier. We regularly bring you fascinating insights into the world of technology. Now, let's get back to our topic. To solve this, you would need to have a good understanding of the software and what it's supposed to do. And this software is built on hundreds of thousands of lines of code. But here's the thing. ChatGPT can only handle around 4,000 characters. This limit will increase eventually, but only so much, since the cost of training and running this AI increases along with it. So, while ChatGPT is perfect for handling small scripts and methods, it cannot handle an entire software platform. Nor can it summarize a book. It's simply too long. There are workarounds, but it's not quite there yet. One thing we, as humans, are still better at than these AIs is parsing through an enormous amount of information and only registering what matters. So, to answer the question, no, ChatGPT is not going to replace programmers. It's a tool, a very impressive one, but it's not a replacement for the human mind and its understanding of complex systems. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of technology here on Fact Frontier. Thank you for watching.